Hi, this is Paola Bigatti, and I want to share with you a little tour of my Edmodo Training Final Project and group. I decided my group address Italian teachers, specifically those who are not highly skilled in information technology, as if that they were taking their very first steps on the Edmodo planet. This is the title of the home page of my Edmodo training. Therefore, I've chosen to focus on very specific core features of Edmodo. In the meanwhile, I wanted also to project a quite complete training course covering main topics about most important Edmodo features. I have created, as you can see, 8 modules corresponding to a gradual approach to different Edmodo features, from the simplest to more complex. The learners must complete a module before being allowed to level up to the next. In the main group, I have posted a welcome note. I have written it first in Italian and then I have translated it in English to show you. Probably in this part I should have inserted a summary of the training agenda, and I will correct this part for the real course. Now I'm gonna to show to you the first lesson, Welcome to Edmodo, getting an overview. And in this first lesson I pinned a message where I tell to the students what they are expected to do during this first lesson. You must know that I decided to have a lesson in a real class for the first step towards Edmodo, to be better acquainted with the platform. And now my students have to do the first lesson online. As you can see, I have summarized the steps, the tasks they have to do. I thought that it was good for them using Edmodo first as a student and then as teachers. I included some tasks simple, like posting a note after having watched a video. I included some videos I found in Italian, because for Italian people the language, as you can see, may be a problem. And then I have also posted a poll they have to respond to. And finally I have put a simple assignment where they have to introduce themselves, telling about their skills in information technology and their what they want to learn about the Edmodo platform, and what they hope to use in their daily teacher's life. So I think that I will structure also the next lessons in a similar way, adding for the next lessons also quizzes, for instance, that seemed to me too difficult for a first approach. So that, thank you for watching this video. Of course, I have other hard work to do to complete each part of the lessons, but I have my training agenda, and I can follow what I have projected before. Thank you, and thank you to everybody also for this learning experience. Very good for me, very interesting and enriching. Bye bye from Italy.